Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Bukenzio here, and this is BukenziosCorner. In this video I will be showing you what I have in my hospital bag. I'm a first-time mom in Nigeria. I will be giving birth in Nigerian hospital. So you guys, if you are interested in this video, keep watching. And basically this video is for Nigerian mommies. You guys, I don't know how they do outside the country. I don't know what they do abroad. I had hospital provides basically all of the items they need for delivery, but here in Nigeria, our hospital here in Nigeria provided us with list of items to bring along when coming for delivery. I'm going to link a picture of my hospital list, so that will serve as a guide for me, and I'm going to be using my discretion for the order. So basically, let's get to work. First thing first, I'll be showing you guys, I'm going to be going to the hospital with my pad, my comfort pad. My hospital requested for 4 of it. Here is it. I'm going to be going to the hospital with 4 of my comfort, what's it called, comfort plus and reliable pad. This is it. Then I'm going to be going to the hospital with my underpads. So I'm going to be going to the hospital with my underpad. My hospital requested for 3 of it. So here had they. I'm going to be using this flask for my hot water. My hospital requested for flasks for hot water. So I'm going to go into the hospital with this. I'll be going to the hospital with jig. My hospital requested for jig basically. So I'm going to be going with this. I'm going to be going with pads. I took 10. I don't intend staying for too long in the hospital, God's willing. So I'm going with 10 pads. I'll be going with glucose tea for mother. Basically, it's part of my mother's what's it called, my personal requirements, glucose D. I'll be going to the hospital with this toilet roll, toiletry paper, or what do you call it in your language. I'm going to be going with 2 of them. My hospital requested for 2 of these. I'll be going with Goya oil. My hospital requested for this. I'll be going with Muco spirit as well. I'll be going with methylated dusting powder, and as well as baby sponge, of course. I'll be going with baby soap. I don't know why it's not because I'll be going with this. I'll be going with this as well, should in case I'm not lactating enough. I don't know yet, but I pray I am. Of course, I pray I lactate, so I won't be needing this, but let me just take it along. I'm just going to go along with it. I'll be going with this baby shawl as well. I'll be going with this cotton wool. I'll be going with mittens, baby mittens, such a small crater. So I'll be going with baby mittens. I took 3 of it. I'll be going with socks, of course. I'll be going with baby caps. I took 3 of them. So I'll be going with baby caps. I have this cap with the socks as well. I'll be going with this as well. My hospital requested for mucus extractor. My hospital requested for 2 of it, so I'll be going with 2 of the mucus extractors. I'll be going with my slippers, baking slippers for myself. I'll be going with this comb. I don't know why I'm extra. I don't know why I'm taking this along. I don't want to go with the set. The sets are just too many, so let me just go with this one comb. I hope it's enough. Of course it will be enough. How many hair does a baby have? So I'll be going with this Dettol. My sweetie requested for Dettol, so I'll be going with this small size. I'll be going with this baby oil. I'm going with baby powder as well. I'll be going with baby lotion. Of course, I'll be going with my methylatum. It's definitely needed. I'm going with my glove as well. My hospital requested for a pack, so I'll be going with this pack, a pack of gloves. I'll be going with this. I'm going with this baby towel as well, and I'll be going with this cotton bud. My hospital requested for this as well, cord clamp, so I'll be going with it. I'll be going with these beads. I have 2 of it. I'll be going with breast pad as well. I'll be going with these beads as well, breast pad. I'll be going with this tiger blade. I'm going with this as well. I'll be going with these clothes as well, baby clothes. It's a pair. It has a top and a trouser. More baby clothes. Look at this beauty. More baby clothes. More baby clothes. More baby clothes. More baby clothes. I'm going with this big size because I don't know how baby is gonna be. I don't know if baby is gonna be horrible like me, so I'm just trying to be careful. So I'm going with all of these overalls, baby clothes. I'm going with all of these flannel. I'm going with these flannels. I think they're about, 2. Okay, there are 3. So I'm going with these 3 flannels. I'll be going with these wipes as well. Of course, my brush, my undies. I'll be going with my nursing bra. I'll be going with African print as well, wrapper. You cannot make do without wrapper. I'm going with 3 of them. My dress. I'm going with 2 of my outfits, and of course my sponge and my soap. So that's basically all of what I'll be going to the hospital with. Please share with me in the comment section if I'm leaving out some stuffs you think. So just share with me in the comment section. I would like to read from you. I'm a first-time mom, like I said earlier. Share with me in the comment section. I might not add few things you think. I've not gone to the hospital yet. I'm just trying to pack my stuff in there. Hopefully I'll get to read your comments before I pack up, so I can just add the few things you'll be mentioning in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new here, you're coming across my channel for the very first time, please click the like button, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for stopping by, and I'm going to be seeing you all in my next video. Bye guys.